baby. Yeah.
Hello! 11:57 on the dot right now, and those sirens are going to be going off at noon, yo.
Okay. I'm going to roll down the street at 11:58, 59.
Yeah.
Everybody buckled?
Yep.
Let's go, bitches!
Here we go. Oh my god, is that Sarah? Hi,
Yep.
Sarah. Look at this one. This one's got us going on crazy missions.
Oh God, what is it?
Where is the pole? Oh, it's right up there. Okay. Nobody behind us. That's good. Just like
Let's see if it actually stays up there.
this.
Oh, it stayed. Sweet.
Oh, this is going to be so freaking loud. Oh my god. Oh, there you are.
Emergency management. That's the person.
It should be going. Oh yeah. All right, let's go in the other direction now. Let's take a U-turn or something. Yeah. Oh, just to warn you, there's a cop up here.
Off-roading with Cole. Here we go. Are they going to do it again?
Yeah, they are.
Get a red light. Come on, get a
Yes, let's go.
yes. Red light for the win.
Oh, the voice back's going off right now.
Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling it. Oops, sorry, Sarah.
All right, let's just keep driving this way. Actually. Oh yeah, keep Let's go. Yeah. I don't know, it might keep going off again. Let's keep going this way, actually.
Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright.
Private. Second siren. They've never done these many tests before. voicey back going off.
All clear. The emergency is over. 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 All clear. The emergency